If you're paying for Claude or ChatGPT or any other AI's paid version, then this video is for you. There's a free tool which provides you all these LLM models for free, and there is no limitation in that. Over here, you can get side-by-side comparison of two of your LLM models. There is a battle mode as well where you can compare two anonymous models, and then there is direct chat. So if you're looking for ChatGPT, all you have to do is select all the models from here. You can see all the models are over here: Claude Opus 4.5, which is the most recent one, and ChatGPT, of course. And on that note, AI is everywhere. I created the fastest calorie tracker there ever can be. You can log your protein, calories, and workout from your lock screen. And the best part is you can get actual rewards like gift card while you lose weight. The app is available on App Store, and I'm running a 90% discount coupon right now. You can get the link to the app in the description along with the coupon. This is a steal deal. Do not miss it. Now coming back, so you can use all of these for free without paying a single penny. And the best part is you can go to side by side comparison and select your model over here. So let's say Claude Opus, and we'll select ChatGPT. And for coding, you have this build apps or webs. I can click on that and say, let's create a Candy Crush game, and it will give you all the code and everything what you need. So as you can see, it is showing Claude over here, and over here you have ChatGPT as well. You can compare which one is the best for you and take the code which you want. So Claude has already created our game. You can see Candy Crush game is here. You can also play it. So let's give it a try. Let's move it. Oh wow, it is working. Now ChatGPT is still thinking, it's generating. So yeah, I think Claude is better. So yeah, so if you want Claude Opus and if you want to code without any restriction for free, this website is the best. I will leave the link to this website in the description.